Hello, today we discuss section 38 to 53 of this act. Transfer of movable property is part of sections discussed under the group of section 38 to 53. Today we discuss section 39 of the act. According to this section, where third person is entitled to maintenance, where a third person has a right to receive maintenance or a provision of advancement or marriage from the profit of immobile property. And if such property is transferred to another person, then what to be happen according section 39 of this act. This section explain if property is transferred and third person is entitled to maintenance from such type of property, then the profits of immobile property and such property is transferred, the right may be enforced against the transferee if he has notice thereof. It is valuable discussion if transfer is knowledgeable about liability relating to property and property is transferred gratuitously, then definitely transferee is liable to maintain third person. But if property is transferred with consideration and not against such property in his hand, therefore the object of this section is to protect the right of a third person who is entitled to receive maintenance or a provision for advancement or marriage from the profits of an immobile property which has been transferred. If you want to understand this section, we have to go through illustrations. Lakshman versus Satyabhamani. The present section, however, requires that the claimant had to prove only that the purchaser had notice of that right. So it is very important if claimant had to prove that purchaser had notice of the right, then definitely third person to be entitled to get maintenance from such transferred property, and transferee is absolutely liable. The present section before its amendment by the Act of 1929 was very precarious against a Hindu widow who had to prove that she had the right to maintenance in the property transferred, which has been transferred with intention to defeat her right. Section does not create a charge of maintenance. It is very clear. Section 39 of the Transfer of Property Act does not create a charge of maintenance. Only it's make entitled to third person to get maintenance from such type of transferred property. The present amendment section was not intended to create charge over the property transferred. Even a Hindu widow, even a Hindu widow's right to get indefinite right of maintenance out of the property of a husband was not a charge, but it is short of a charge. A charge is created by the order of the court or by an agreement or where the widow is in possession of the immobile property over which she has the right of maintenance. In this case, Ram Kamar versus Amarnath. This is very landmark case in respect to section 39. In such cases, notice of charge is sufficient to bind the transferee. But in some cases, it had been held that a charge for maintenance was binding on the transferee whether he had the notice of the charge or not. The decision was the decisions were criticized to be not correct, as it was said that a charge does not create an interest in an immobile property as in case of a mortgage. It is very clear a property is transferred to transferee and transfer is totally gratuitous, then definitely right may be right of maintenance may be enforced against such transferee if transferee has notice thereof, or if the transfer is gratuitous, so definitely third person to be entitled to maintenance. Thank you.